Mahadev.
Jai
Jai
Shri
Mahakal.
Jai Mahakal. My name is Dipali Sharma. Today is the 9th day of the session orientation program for English communication. And in this session, we have an activity, My Country and My Culture. So in this session, our dashing Deepak Sharma sir has given us a topic to speak few lines about the Lord Shiva. And my first sentence is Lord Shiva is the power of principle in Hindu deities.
Lord Shiva is the creator and the destructor of the universe.
Lord Shiva is considered of embodiment cosmic energy.
Lord Shiva bears a serpent around his neck.
It is considered that the birth of Lord Shiva is from the fire of meditation of God Brahma.
Lord Shiva is the universe itself.
Lord Shiva is depicted with his third eye on his forehead.
Lord Shiva is said to reside a Himalaya to the located in the Kashi.
His dance is named as Tandava.
Lord Shiva's wife name is Parvati and his son name is God Ganesha.
The Bij mantra of Lord Shiva is Om Namah Shivaya.
Lord Shiva is the symbol of transformation and renewal.
Lord Shiva's cosmic energy is also called a Tandav. Tandav, it is the symbol of divine power.
The name of Lord Shiva's elder son is Kartikeya.
We can realize after the worshipping Lord Shiva the self-realization and the spiritual growth.
Lord Shiva is called Rudra and Bholenath.
Lord Shiva is also called Nilkant.
Lord Shiva is the one of the three Murti along with Brahma and Vishnu.
His famous temple is in Mahakal, Ujjain.
When the Lord Shiva got married with Sati, then Sati was fully devoted to the Lord Shiva, but Sati's father was not pleased with Lord Shiva.
The powerful mantra of Lord Shiva is Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahi Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Rudraha Prachodayat.
People say Lord Shiva consumes all the poison during Samudra Manthan.
Lord Shiva is the master of the master. It is also called a Bholenath.
Mahashivratri is a festival related to Lord Shiva.
In a year, we also got a month full of month with a pure month it is called, that is Shravan.
He is called Nilkant due to poison.
Lord Shiva is called Devon ke Dev, so he is called Bholenath.
Lord Shiva is a Ankar.
Mahakal means a god of time.
When Sati's father Daksh was not pleasant with Lord Shiva, then he got angered and Sati was just immolated in the fire.
Lord Shiva is called the protector of the universe.
Hanumanji is also the avatar of Lord Shiva.
Lord Shiva is everything and every time. They have a one-sided, have a two eyes, but three sides need to see a power of a divine.
I got a positive energy when I say Om Namah Shivaya.
I have seen one thing in the serials that when Goddess Parvati was going to bath, she just told her son Ganesha to take care to not enter anyone. But Ganesha fully devoted and full duty, he just responsible for his duty. But Lord Shiva got anger when Ganesha does not allow him to enter to the Ma Parvati.
Lord Shiva has his third eye on his forehead.
Lord Shiva has third eye for his wisdom.
Lord Shiva is therefore seen as the people evil and good.
Lord Shiva told his son Ganesha to whom we should worship first. So his son Ganesha, in spite of all the goddess, he just make a round of his own parents and he told that our parents is our first god.
Lord Shiva is worshipped in the form of ling.
Lord Shiva is also called Adidev because he has no end and no beginning.
Lord Shiva has a 12 ling. Tungnath is one of the famous ling in Uttarakhand.
Lord Shiva is also known as Natraj. It means a king of dancer.
We can see a famous Jyotirling in Amarnath. It is 48 kilometers and when the pilgrims are visit there, the distributor of the food, they just call all the pilgrims, come bhole, come bhole.
Lord Shiva is called the chief of gods.
Lord Shiva wears a necklace of skulls.
In Amarnath, the Lord Shiva make a sometime. Then people will be go there a worship of Shiva.
I am also a great devotee of Lord Shiva.
There are lots of famous Jyotirling. There are 12 famous Jyotirling in India. Mahakaleshwar, Ujjain, Omkareshwar, Somnath Jyotirling, Mallikarjun, Bhima Shankar, Krishneshwar, Trambakeshwar Nath.
Lord Shiva bears Ganga Ma in his head.
Lord Shiva is called god of cattle.
Lord Shiva is truth, Brahman, etc.
There is a moon on his head.
If you visit in Kashi, you can see that itself celebrated.
Lord Shiva is called Adi Purush.
Lord Shiva is Bholenath among all the gods.
Lord Shiva, I do every time chanting Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.
Mahamrityunjay mantra is a very powerful mantra to avoid evil and death.
In last, I want to end up my words with the sentence that if you want any result and if you have a deep belief in God, Lord Shiva, so one glass water is enough for all the result. Thank you.